One of the premier and most anticipated cosplay and hobbies conventions in the Visayas, Otakufest returned for its 17th year on February 22 to 23, 2025, bringing together passionate communities from anime, gaming, pop culture, and creative arts. From bringing fictional characters to life to learning how to crochet, Otakufest was the place to be. The event featured annual competitions such as the Karaoke Asian Singing Competition, Ramen Eating Contest, Solo Cosplay Skit Competition, and Asian Pop Dance Competition. It also fostered community engagement through workshops on crocheting, animation, game development, and prop making. Making this year even more exciting, renowned Malaysian cosplayer Mickey and Filipino cosplayer 𝗢𝗍𝗲 were among the special guests. Day 1 highlighted major competitions such as the Karaoke Asian Singing Competition and Solo Cosplay Skit Competition. With the success of the first day, Jomar Joshua Hunasa, overall chief of Otakufest, expressed his heartfelt gratitude for the overwhelming support the event received, not just from Cebu, but from various parts of the country. He emphasized that each year the Otakufest team strive to expand its reach by embracing diverse niche communities, ensuring that every hobbyist felt represented and included.
Otakufest will always be an event na for the community, by the community. So, always na makikistorya mi sa community. Unsay ilang mga ganahan na makita sa Otakufest. Always ito, mangutana lang mi unsay inyong ganahan. And kana inyong ganahan, if there's a community for it, maningkamot mi na masuod sila, mabutang sila sa Otakufest para ang tanang tao, no, tanang mo attend, makahibaw na ay naadi naning mga hobby, ay naadi mga inani na people na, you know, make new friends, no, discover new communities.
For many attendees, Otakufest was more than just an event. It was a space where they could fully embody their favorite characters, express their creativity, and connect with like-minded individuals. For Manila-based cosplayer Mizuki Tan, Otakufest was her first experience in Cebu, a memorable opportunity to celebrate her passion alongside Cebuano cosplayer friends.
It's a medium for me to express myself since I'm from Manila, and I can share my hobby here as well and my love for cosplay with my friends. So yes.
For 𝗖𝗲 Hİ, a regular Otakufest attendee, cosplaying was a way to bring her imagination to life and share her love for the craft with others.
Yearly, I attend Otakufest and it's very enjoying, and I can like cosplay anything I want that I love, and it is a medium. It is my way to like be creative, and I want to see the smell of different people and the way they like enjoy the place. Yeah, it's so nice.
For Nosy Neo, Otakufest was a chance to transform into the characters he adored, making fiction a reality, even for just a day.
Otakufest is a great medium for this cosplay hobby because every cosplayer like me can express and portray the character that they want to cosplay with. And whatever the creativity is, it's like more efficient or more experienced or a beginner, all welcome here.
What started as a niche community in 2008 has now become a celebration of a worldwide accepted hobby. Otakufest overall chief Jomar Joshua Hunasa shared an inspiring message to hobbyists, cosplayers, gamers, and all the in-betweens.
One thing that I will say, no, even if you look at it from this point of view, no, that the word Otakufest comes from the word otaku, no, and sa una, bati jud kay ng pananaw sa word na otaku, no, pero now it's a very well accepted na hobby, na pastime, ganyan. And all I can say is, you know, continue to be passionate about the things na you find fulfilling or enjoy, no. Pero syempre, as long as we do not hurt, we do not offend other communities po, di ba?
Otakufest 2025 once again proved that it continues to connect the world one hobby at a time. This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for My TV Cebu.